Hello, my name is Desiree Israel. I'm a first year, second semester PhD student here at Widener. My current title is Clinical Services Supervisor at Pressy Ridge, which is a human services organization located across 6 states, including Pennsylvania. I am located in Baltimore, Maryland. Um, that title is new for me as of November, and prior to that, I was still at Pressy Ridge and in their independent living program, but as the lead social worker or um, transition team coordinator in their mother baby program. So, over the past 5 years, my work has centered around pregnancy, postpartum, lactation, and perinatal mental health. I'm also the owner of a small private practice. I have about a caseload of 5 right now, again in the same specialty of pregnancy, postpartum, and lactation and perinatal mental health. Also the co-founder of the Perinatal Mental Health Alliance for People of Color, which is a program within Postpartum Support International, where we assist providers of color to get trained in regards to perinatal mental health to assist families of color. I'm also the co-founder of the Bloom Collective, which is a reproductive justice wellness space here in Baltimore, and also on the Maryland Mortality Review Committee, and recently accepted the position of off-site MSW field instructor here at Widener. On top of all of that, I am a mother of 2 boys, and if I'm not working, they definitely keep me busy. What I hope to get out of this course is getting to know more about qualitative work. I believe my research interests will require more qualitative and quantitative, and that's been most of my experience is quantitative methods and statistics. But I've read a lot about qualitative. I'm really interested in how it helps to render outcomes in research. So I'm really excited for the process. And 2 ways that I plan on taking care of myself this semester is utilizing my monthly massage membership. I've let it accrue some credits, so I have some to use, and also taking more naps and listening to my body. I follow the nap ministry on Instagram, which has been a true help to my own personal mental health, and taking naps is an act of resistance, especially as a Black woman, and I wholeheartedly believe that resting is a revolutionary act. So, whenever I can, not a daily napper, but definitely at least once a week, I'm taking at least a 30-minute nap. So, we'll definitely be implementing that more into my self-care. So, I'm looking forward to learning from all of you and see you all in class. Thanks.